Apple announced the 9.7-inch iPad Pro on March 21st, 2016 as a smaller version of the 12.9-inch iPad Pro released a few months prior. Besides offering all the features of the initial 12.9-inch iPad Pro, the 9.7-inch iPad Pro also introduced a rose gold finish alongside its other finishes of gold, as I have here, silver, and space gray, and included flash, which I can demo really quickly. As you can tell right here, it has flash. And if I go into the control center once again, it has a True Tone display, which were all features included for the first time on an iPad. It was released on March 31st, 2016 at prices ranging from $600 to $1,200 and with iOS 9.3. Because I initially got this iPad open box, I do have the original packaging and even wrapping for it, so I thought I would redo an unboxing for it. So right here, as you can tell, it has iPad Pro on the side, iPad Pro on this side. And they advertise this is a 32GB iPad Pro 9.7-inch Wi-Fi that comes with a Lightning USB cable and power adapter. It says copyright 2016 on it. So going in and lifting it up. Right here, the actual iPad itself, which does have the original wrap on it, which I did put on. And I'll go ahead and set the iPad aside for a moment, and then we can take a look at our Designed by Apple in California pamphlet, which I do still have the original Apple stickers for. And I have the original manual for it. And as you can tell by the diagram, this did initially come with iOS 10. And then right here, you have the Lightning USB cable, which is, I believe this might actually be the original one that came with this iPad. Because I remember I would take one of these cables out. I think I did take it out of this box. And this right here is the USB power adapter, which I know this is not the original one that came with this iPad, because I think I've been using this for far longer than when I got this, but this is right here is the power brick. So now let's go ahead and let's unwrap the actual iPad itself, which this is not all going to be the accurate unwrapping, but at least I have the wrapping this time. And there we have the actual iPad itself. On June 5th, 2017, Apple discontinued both the 9.7-inch and first 12.9-inch iPad Pro and replaced them with a second generation iPad Pro. Thus, this is the only iPad Pro with a 9.7-inch display because a 10.5-inch iPad Pro replaced this iPad. September 2023, this iPad was dropped from receiving mainstream iPadOS updates, leaving all units on iPadOS 16. However, this iPad is still pre-rock to receive security updates. The 9.7-inch iPad Pro is also significant because it established the precedent that the iPad Pro will come in two sizes, which is still the norm today. However, this iPad is even more significant to me because I was gifted the iPad for Christmas in 2019 and used it alongside my iPad 7th generation as my main iPad until I purchased my iPad Air 5th generation in May 2022. I obviously recall using this iPad fondly besides its bad battery life, which this battery life is still bad because it claimed it was 70% when I started filming this video, which is not that long ago now. It's at 62 and I haven't even done much on this iPad. As I even remember waking up one morning in the summer of 2020 finding this iPad dead despite having a decent charge the night before. Furthermore, two videos that I made about this iPad are some of this channel's most viewed. Specifically, they were my videos about whether this was worth it in 2022 and 2023. Do you own or did you ever own an iPad Pro that was 9.7 inches? Please comment that down below. As always, all for you in this video, I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.